Here is part 5. Achieving goals, build your motivation and drive in 2021.
Today we all have such busy lives, it's easy for us to lose focus on our goals and objectives. We really need to take daily actions on a consistent basis to see real results. This video gives you some suggestions on how to maintain your focus and enthusiasm. Keep your goals close and available. Once you've planned your goals and written them down, keep them somewhere you can easily access them every day and where you will see them. It is also great to put a summary of your goals as your computer's or phone's wallpaper. It reminds you of your goals and helps you to focus on them. Visualization. It may also help you to go online and find photographs that represent the ideal outcomes from your goal achievement activities. You can turn these images into galleries or slideshows on your computer and smartphone. If technology is not really something for you, then I would suggest that you print out these images and put them into a folder that you can review regularly to maintain clear focus on your outcomes. Motivate yourself to take action. Don't you think the hardest part of any important goal is to start working on it? However, you will naturally motivate yourself to endure it once you start working on the important task. Now visualize yourself completing an important goal. How does that make you feel? That feeling should motivate you to do whatever it takes to get started. One trick that I like to use when I find it difficult to get started is to find the most enjoyable or easy aspect of that particular task and start with that. Normally that will unblock my feelings and give a boost to continuing on completing the task at hand. Motivation is generated when you know why you want to complete the action or task. If your why is big enough or it will give you a great personal benefit, this will support you in getting started. Once again, it requires you to visualize the end result and not focus on the intermediate steps that you have to take. If you have a burning desire for the end result, this emotion will support you through the earliest steps that might not be so exciting. Therefore, you need to practice visualization of the positive results you seek every day to get your most important tasks done. Each day start with the most beneficial task, leaving low results tasks for the end of the day, that is, if you have time. You will be more productive and effective in completing your goals and be able to achieve much better results. Discomfort and feeling resistance is a good sign. While I don't advocate that you stress yourself every day in order to achieve your goals, you should expect to feel a little resistance when you try to advance and improve your situation. This is totally normal, and you should not only expect this, you should welcome it, because it is a signal that you are advancing. The important points we have covered in this video are: 1. Take daily actions, however small, on a consistent basis to see real results. 2. Keep your goals where you will see them daily. 3. Visualize the positive outcomes to build motivation. 4. Use photos to help the visualization process. 5. If you don't feel like starting, begin with the most enjoyable or easy part of your prioritized daily action plan. 6. Focus on your why to build motivation. 7. Ask yourself what it will cost you if you don't achieve your goals. And 8. See feelings of discomfort or resistance as a positive sign you are advancing. Finally, I would like to suggest that you go onto the internet and you look into the subject of motivation and how to generate it. You will particularly find many videos on YouTube covering this subject from various perspectives. Become an expert at motivating yourself, and nothing can stand in your way. Thank you again for listening and watching. I look forward to seeing you in another video shortly.
Online success, an online business building system.
If you find our content helpful, please engage with us.
Yes, you can subscribe, ask for notifications, like videos and even share them with friends.
You can also ask questions in the comment section.
Thanks for watching.